In which river was Jesus Christ baptized according to the New Testament? Nile, Euphrates, Jordan River, Tigris. The correct answer is Jordan River. Which groundbreaking invention is credited to Johannes Gutenberg? The telescope, the printing press, the microscope, the compass. The correct answer is the printing press. If you are lucky enough to spot an ocelot in the wild, what kind of animal are you looking at? A wild cat, a tropical bird, a tree lizard, a small monkey. The correct answer is a wild cat. Which hormone is commonly known as the stress hormone? Insulin, cortisol, adrenaline, serotonin. The correct answer is cortisol. Which teeth are known as the third molars? Canines, wisdom teeth, premolars, incisors. The correct answer is wisdom teeth. In mythology, which deity was often depicted with dog-like or cynocephalic features? Zeus, Apollo, Hermes, Anubis. The correct answer is Anubis. Which film depicts World War II through the eyes of a young Italian boy and his father? Life is Beautiful, Saving Private Ryan, The English Patient, Gladiator. The correct answer is Life is Beautiful. What is the capital city of Nicaragua, a country in Central America? Belmopan, Manama, Vlissingen, Managua. The correct answer is Managua. What's the scientific term for a severe, life-threatening allergic reaction? Inflammation, anaphylaxis, hypoglycemia, asthma. The correct answer is anaphylaxis. A Nordic curl is an exercise mainly designed to strengthen which muscle group? Quadriceps, hamstrings, biceps, calves. The correct answer is hamstrings. Which comedic spy character, portrayed by Mike Myers, was created to parody James Bond films? Jack Sparrow, Johnny English, Austin Powers, Sterling Archer. The correct answer is Austin Powers. What is the general term for software that is designed to harm or gain unauthorized access to a computer system? Adware, spyware, malware, Trojan horse. The correct answer is malware. If you're looking at a map of Africa, which country takes up the absolute most land area? Democratic Republic of the Congo, Algeria, Sudan, South Africa. The correct answer is Algeria. What type of muscle pushes food through the digestive system? Cardiac muscle, smooth muscle, skeletal muscle, voluntary muscle. The correct answer is smooth muscle. Which hormone helps muscles absorb glucose from the blood? Adrenaline, insulin, cortisol, thyroxine. The correct answer is insulin.